In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this brake pedal pad in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now you want to remove the old pad if there is still one there. Just grab underneath it and you kind of peel it off, just like that. And just slide it and it comes right off. Take the new pad, you can see where it's going to wrap underneath here. And you can start with the bottom. And just kind of fold it over. You want to fold the pedal. And just make sure it feels good all the way around. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.